Ever wonder what it takes to actually access the heart of your car's fuel system? Opening up the fuel pump is a task that sounds intimidating, but it is entirely manageable once you know the process. Before you even think about touching the pump, safety is your top priority. You must depressurize the fuel system by pulling the fuel pump fuse and cranking the engine until it stalls. Then, immediately disconnect the negative battery terminal. With the car safely prepped, it is time to locate the pump. On most modern vehicles, you do not need to drop the entire gas tank. You will usually find an access panel hidden right under the rear passenger seat or beneath the trunk carpet. Once you remove that metal access cover, you will see the top of the fuel pump assembly. Before doing anything else, grab a vacuum and a rag. You need to clean away every speck of dirt and dust sitting on top of the tank. If you skip the cleaning step, all that grime will fall straight into your gas tank the second you crack the seal. After the area is spotless, carefully disconnect the electrical plugs and the main fuel lines. Now comes the tricky part, the locking ring. This metal or plastic ring holds the pump tight against the tank. You can use a specialized spanner tool or gently tap the ridges counterclockwise with a brass punch and a mallet to spin it free. With the ring removed, you can finally pull the assembly up. Do this very slowly. You have to angle the entire unit as you lift it out to avoid bending the delicate float arm that controls your dashboard fuel gauge. Once it is out on the workbench, you can inspect the secret culprit behind most pressure issues. Usually, it is not a completely dead motor, but a clogged mesh strainer filter at the very bottom that is choking off your engine's fuel supply.